Hello and welcome back. If you're over 60 and find yourself pausing halfway up the stairs, holding the rail tightly, or even avoiding stairs altogether, you're not alone. Stair climbing is one of the most common daily struggles for older adults, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'll walk you through simple, safe, and effective daily exercises that will help you regain the strength, balance, and confidence to climb stairs with ease. Why stairs become harder with age? Let's start by understanding why stairs become harder as we age. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. After age 30, we naturally lose muscle mass at a rate of about 3–8% per decade, and that process speeds up after age 60. Weak leg muscles make it harder to push yourself up each step. Joint stiffness and pain. Arthritis or reduced joint lubrication can limit mobility in knees and hips. Balance decline. Changes in the inner ear, vision, and muscle coordination can reduce stability. Cardiovascular endurance. If you're easily out of breath on the stairs, it might be a sign your heart and lungs need more conditioning. The good news? All of these issues can be improved with consistent, targeted exercise. Safety first. Before starting, a quick safety note. Always wear supportive shoes. Use a stable surface or wall for support during balance exercises. If you have severe joint pain or heart problems, consult your doctor first. Daily exercises. 1. Sit to stand, leg power and function. Why? Builds the quadriceps and glute muscles you use when climbing stairs. How? Sit on a sturdy chair. Cross your arms over your chest. Stand up slowly without using your hands, then sit back down slowly. Reps. 10–15 reps. 2. 3 sets daily. What you were said. 2. Step-ups, functional stair practice. Why? Directly mimics the stair climbing movement. How? Use a low, stable step or the first stair in your home. Step up with your right foot, then left. Step down with right, then left. Switch starting foot each set. Reps. 8. 10 reps each leg. 2–3 sets daily. 3. Heel raises, calf strength, and push power. Why? Strengthens calves, which push your body upward. How? Stand behind a chair. Rise onto your toes, hold for 2 seconds, lower slowly. Reps. 15–20 reps. 2 sets daily. 4. Side leg raises, hip stability. Why? Improves side hip muscles for balance when lifting legs sideways on stairs. How? Stand behind a chair. Lift one leg out to the side without leaning your body. Hold for 2 seconds. Return slowly. Reps. 10–15 each leg. 2–3 sets daily. 5. Wall sits, endurance and strength. Why? Builds leg endurance for multiple flights of stairs. How? Stand with your back against a wall. Slide down until knees are at about 90 degrees, or as far as comfortable. Hold for 10–20 seconds, then stand. 6. Marching in place, cardio and balance. Why? Boosts heart rate and coordination. Mimics stair motion without impact. How? Stand tall, lift knees one at a time to hip height if possible. Swing opposite arm naturally. Reps. 1–2 minutes daily, gradually increase duration. Extra balance drills. Since balance is a big part of stair safety, include these 2 short drills. A. Tandem stance. Stand with one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe, for 20–30 seconds. Switch feet. B. Single leg stand. Stand on one foot for 10–20 seconds. Hold a chair for support if needed. Switch legs. Do these once or twice a day for noticeable improvement. Tips to boost results. Consistency wins. 10 minutes daily is better than one long workout per week. Track your progress. Count how many steps you can do without stopping and see that number grow over time. Pair with proper nutrition. Adequate protein, 20–30 grams per meal, helps maintain and build muscle. Stretch after exercise. Gentle stretches for calves, quads, and hamstrings keep joints mobile. Realistic timeline. If you follow this routine daily, you could see noticeable strength and stamina improvements in as little as 4–6 weeks. Your stairs will start to feel less like a mountain and more like a quick path to your next room. Closing. If you've been avoiding stairs, it's time to take them back into your life. With just a few minutes each day, you can rebuild your strength, improve your balance, and move freely again. In our next video, we'll explore simple home balance exercises that keep seniors steady and prevent falls, something every older adult should know. So subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss it. Your independence is worth it.